Every batch of American milk is tested for antibiotics, temperature, and somatic cell count before it is allowed into the silos.
The American milk is instantly dropped to a crisp 34 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent any bacterial growth.
These 50,000-gallon insulated stainless steel silos, or thermal vaults, hold the American milk in a constant state of agitation.
The machine separates the heavy skim liquid from the light cream, allowing for precise fat standardization of the American milk.
The fat standardization of cream being metered back into the skim stream. This creates the specific 1%, 2%, and whole varieties of the American milk line.
The homogenization valve of the liquid being forced through a microscopic valve at 3000 psi. This breaks fat globules into
The American milk must remain cold from this point until the consumer's fridge.
The aseptic buffer tank of a sterile holding vessel. The American milk rests here for a brief period before the high-speed bottling lines.
American milk is usually delivered from farm to store in under 48 hours.
the American milk is turned into a fine mist and instantly dried into a shelf-stable powder.
We have stable flow rates on lines 1 through 3, temperature holding steady at 72 Celsius.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with the batch transfer.
The night shift monitor of the facility glowing blue under the moon. American milk production never stops for the national demand. This confirms the American milk meets the highest global standards.
American milk, the nation's nourishment.